Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell, up to 10 hours a day. I'm here in the studio for you. This is what I do. I go live every day, breaking news. And today, later on today, we'll be talking about Tesla, Elon Musk. Wow, last night, have I got some news for you? It's going to be a special video later on today with a follow-up live debate afterwards as well. Special people invited. That's all coming up later. But right now, we're going to hold off Tesla for a minute. I know we're all chaffing at the bit to talk about it. But we'll be doing it later as a special event, a special video, and a special live debate. That's coming up later. But right now, though, it's time to get into our trades and our positions. Welcome, everybody. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. If we get 100 likes during the video, we give away a cash prize or some special prize as well. So we do that. So there you go. Okay, let's get ready to go. Who was here in the stream first? We had. Let me have a look. We got Brick Mark was here earlier. We have Mike. We have Shadstream. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to all of you. Come on into the live show. Let's get your name up on the screen. Ali Isles is here. Lovely stuff. Straight the first person I can share on the screen this morning. Ali Isles, how are you? Love Island fans. Great to have you here. Great to have you here. It's nice to see you here so early this morning. That's unusual. So what are we talking about today? We will be covering it later as a special event, a special live debate with special guests and talking about Tesla. Last night, Elon Musk, what do you think about it? Well, I've got a lot of thoughts on it, and I'm sure you can imagine. But anyway, this is my overall portfolio this morning. It's bringing the markets down. It's bringing the markets down this morning. No surprise at all. Did you see what happened last night? Have you any idea what went on behind the scenes last night? Hopefully you did. Hopefully you picked it all up. But if not, I'll be sharing it with you later. So my overall position is 34.8. We're just under 35,000. The markets are coming down this morning quite a bit. My Roth IRA is under 8,000. And my overall position now is 42,820. Yes, we are coming down. When Tesla goes down, everything goes down. It's just the way it is. It's a big part of the S&P, of course. The overall markets are down. I'm virtually in a position to buy more S&P for the first time all year. Thank you, Elon Musk. Virgin Galactic is down right now at the moment. Still up 14% from my lows. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Here's Tesla. Tesla 186. I said to you I was going to buy it back at 160. I think I'll be buying it back at 140. We shall see. Okay. Lucid is down 2.9 as well today. It's bringing all the markets down. No surprise. The S&P, everything is involved with it. It's the way it works. Amazon, it'll be a reshuffle of the pack today. The defensive stocks, J&J has started to move up. I have been collecting it for ages, and I bought 152 yesterday. Not shares. I bought at 152. So there you go. Looking forward to seeing that pick up all the Tesla shares. Why? Well, I'll explain later. Google, Microsoft, Walmart is going down. Tesco is going down 1.47. Next Era Energy down. Let's bring in comments. Morning all. Stephen Brown. Mike. Ali Who. How is everyone? Mike Who. How good? All good, mate. How are you? Yeah, I'm all right, mate. Been better, but also worse. Fair play. Fair play. Well, in 7 days' time, I'll be worse. I'll be drinking whiskey all day as it's my second birthday on the show. Yes, not second birthday of the show, my second birthday. I'll be 54 years of age on March the 9th. Anyway, welcome everybody over there on TikTok. If you become my top gifter, it looks like Bucko, I think it is. Book of Felly, I think it is. If you become my top gifter, I will follow you back during the show, and I will tag you in my viral posts. Anyway, Malk, hello, gents. Hassan, good morning to you. How's Rio, please, Martin? Let me have a look. One of my members has requested, look at Rio. I will look at Rio. Down 0.29. Of course, commodity prices are falling. So for me, I don't want to be buying it now. I want to be buying it back down at this trough here. Okay, it's a dividend was slashed. No surprise there. So it's going to go back down. I'm not buying it at this stage. I'd rather put my money in the S&P. Period. You're only two. You're only two. Oh, what's this? My only two what? 22. You're only two? Oh, yeah. Very funny. Yes, very funny, 22. I'll see where you're going with that. I was thinking, what's he on about? You're only two. Yeah. Right. Okay, makes sense now. Okay, so there's a special video coming out shortly about Tesla last night, Elon Musk, and a special live debate this afternoon as well. So it's going to be a very, very active day today. But all of that is coming up later. Bitcoin is down 0.34. We're not going to talk too much about it, but just to let you know that there's a lot going to go on today with Tesla. A lot going on with Tesla. Hence why I've been buying the... If you didn't... try not to tell you too much about it, really. If you didn't see it on the wall, I've been telling you, I've been talking about it for ages. It was clear as day what was going to happen. And anyway, can't wait to talk about it. All right, good morning, everyone. How is everyone? Let me go over and have a quick look. Let me bring everybody up to date. We should be getting subtitles now on the show. Check them out. Later on, they'll be in 10 different languages. That comes out once the video has had a chance to process. Let's have a look. Right, where is my song up to now? It's not quite made the 1,000 yet. The Virgin Galactic song is now at 768 views. I spent the 1,000 views. Which would be $10. I bought 2 shares of Tesla. Remember I said I would buy it to $1 million worth of Tesla. Sorry, not Tesla, Virgin Galactic. If you watch the video, the money it makes, I'm buying Virgin Galactic shares. So I've bought 2 so far, but there is more. There were some super chats. So I will share that with you later. So I've got another $10 to spend, so I can buy another 2 shares of Virgin Galactic. Thank you very much indeed. We're up to 6,648 at the moment. That's where we're starting today. Now today, my subscribers are either going to go dramatically up or dramatically down. They're not going to go sideways today because we should, as explained, we've got a Tesla special, so it'll either go dramatically up or dramatically down. We shall see what happens. Good morning, Eric B. How are you this morning? Great to have you here. J&J this morning is up from my 152. And I think we might get some money go into J&J today. We shall see. I've got good reason to say that. Anyway, labour costs higher than expected. It's the thing the Fed keeps talking about. Data was out 8 minutes ago. 22. Thank you very much indeed. Let's have a look at it. Initial jobless claims. Yes, let's bring it up on the screen. This is what we're talking about right now. Here we go. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. 22. United States initial jobless claims. A number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits fell by 2,000 from previous week to 190,000 on the week ending February 25th. So the number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits fell. So more people at work. That's not what the Fed want, I'm afraid. It sounds great, doesn't it? But it's not what the Fed want. Until the Fed get what they want, the markets will continue to be destroyed the way they are at the moment. giving further evidence that the US labour market remains tight in part of reduced labour force participation. This could force employers to raise wages to attract and keep staff, adding to the further inflationary pressure in the world's largest economy. The 4-week moving average, which removes week-to-week volatility, rose by 1,750 to 193,000. All right. Okay, let's read this from Ali Isles. I'm doing well on my Rio. I bought in at 52. Lovely. That's the way. You obviously bought a long time ago. You're dead right. That's where I want to buy it. That's where I want to buy it. And then you'll do well. At this price, it's too expensive. The dividend has been slashed. So it doesn't make any sense at this price. Hence why it's coming down. Makes perfect sense, right? It's the labour cost figure that was more of a beat. That indeed, the cost of labour going up will increase inflation, which will increase the tightening of the Fed. All right. Ali says, remember when we were having a Rio off? Yes, I remember that. How many have you got now? Don't worry. Don't worry, Ali Isles. I can come back at any point, and buy more shares than you. It's just the moment I want to. There's nothing to stop me. Nothing to stop me. The moment I decide to buy Rio, you got 33. I'll buy 35. I'll buy 34 just to annoy you. I'll buy 34 at any moment. Any moment I decide to buy 34, I'm buying 34. You're the winner. You're the winner as long as I let you be the winner. The moment I decide to buy 34, that's it. You're in the bin. I beat you. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's what it's all about. Mike knows it. Mike's thinking, yeah, don't fire him up. Don't fire him up. Have you not seen what's going on recently? Have you not seen what's going on? I'm the king of YouTube. Look, 6,648 subscribers. You came here when we had 1. I think you were the first one. You and Bill and Mike. We got 6. I'm the king of YouTube. What are you talking about? I can buy 30. I can buy 35 shares of Rio just like that. Oh God, Martin. Any juicy ex-dividend dates coming up? Oh, I don't know actually. I would need to. I don't know. There's not a list. Is there, where I could go? Well, there is. I'd have to go and do a lot of research for you, Malk. I haven't got that running list available 24/7, Malk. Sorry about that. I will slay your ass, said Mike 166. Yeah, what? Mine or Ali's? Whose arse is you gonna slay this morning? Anyway, Tesla. We're going to talk about. We've got a special Tesla broadcast coming out later. A debate about Tesla and a special live debate, and we've got a special video with Tesla. We're not talking much about Tesla. There's too much to unpack, too much to talk about, and that'll come up later today. So just get ready for that, okay? Anyway, calm down, Mike. No, you're firing him up. You come on the show here just to start trouble. That's your thing, Ali Isles. You come on here with your Love Island. Pretending to be all lovey-dovey. You come on here just to stir the pot. That's what you do. I know what you're doing. You're building it back up again for my birthday. You're going to fire me up. And when I start drinking whiskey and I'm fired up, there's going to be hell. There's going to be hell up here on the show. You know it. So behave yourself. Mike doesn't have the minerals to buy any Rio. Mike doesn't have the minerals to buy any Rio. I'll give you that one. That's a good one. In fact, I'm going to give you a sound effect for it. It wasn't a great joke, but it was still funny. There you go. J&J is moving up today. No surprise there. Go Google down 0.25. Microsoft down 0.43. LOL, says Ed Nevius. All the balls. Yeah, he hasn't got the balls for it, says Mike. Coca-Cola ex-dividend date on the 16th. All right then. Ex-dividend date for the 16th. In fact, that is an important date for me then. That is an important date. Coca-Cola ex-dividend date on the 16th. Right, I want some more Coke, especially now it's down 2%, which is for me a low. I'm done with loading up the boat with J&J. I want to buy some Coca-Cola. So, a massive note for me. Thank you for that. Ex-div date. Coca-Cola is, what did you just say? 16th. Okay, I've got between now and the 16th to load up. Of course, remember, other people will think exactly the same. So don't leave it to the 15th because it will start time to buy Coke. Yes, it will start going up. So now is a good time. It's down. For me, this is a very, very good time to buy Coke. Let me have a look. It's my all-time low. There you go. It's down over the week, down over the month, down over 3 months. There you go. Yep. It's we want to get it here, 55, down at all-time a year low if we can. But I don't think we'll do that. Yeah. Anytime now is good. It's good anyway for me because end of the day I can lower my average. If I spent $2,000 on Coke, and I'd be very happy to do that. Very happy to spend $2,000 on Coke. I can't do that until the 21st, which is too late. But I am going to focus on that now. I'm going to make that a target of mine. Thank you for bringing that into my attention, Shad. Eric, I agree. I have to go. Be back soon. Be back soon. Be back soon. Okay, Mike, please do. Right, so Coca-Cola, we want to buy it. It's down 2%. If I spend $1,900, I will lower my average to down 1%. And down 1% when we are at highs of 47%. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be good. If I can buy it, Coca-Cola, now up to $2,000, I would be happy with that. So there's my strategy laid out for you. All right, brilliant. What about Macy's? Whiskey Dog 2222. Come and join us on YouTube. What about Macy's? I wouldn't buy Macy's. If I was buying any of that sector, I'd buy Walmart. I just think you need to buy the king of each sector. For me, it's Coca-Cola. For me, it's J&J. For me, it's the S&P 500. And for me, it's Walmart. All of those sectors have their kings. And I want to buy the kings. Don't want to buy the queens. I want to buy the kings. Me too. Ha, 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 says George. What, you got to go? You've got to go, George? What's going on? You buying some Coke? We're all buying Coca-Cola. Let's pump the stock. Let's pump the stock with our 6,000 subscribers. Let's do it. Let's do it. Shad, put the calendar for March in links for YouTube. Thank you very much. The calendar. Oh, have you got a calendar for all those of you? I want some Coke as well. Links for YouTube. Let me go over to the breakfast bar. Links for YouTube. Let's have a little look. Okay. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Oh, hello. 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 We got, is this the ex-dividend date? Now that looks like you've got an app that's given you, right. So that, I like that. So Shad, have you subscribed to a calendar that gives you these? Yeah, I knew what you meant. Coke. I want some Coke. No, Coca-Cola Coke. I know what you mean. It's eToro. Is it? You subscribe to it, do you? Let me have a little look. Where'd you find this then? eToro. Hi all. So what we got here, let's zoom in. Today it's March 27th, 28th. Oh, here we go. Here's today. It's the 2nd. So Bank of America is today. Bank of America is today. Microsoft is the 9th. This is good. I like it. Microsoft, Rio, Coca-Cola's the 16th. What else have we got there? Bank of America. Was it Tuesday, the 2nd and the 31st? Ah, that's the payoff day. I see. That must be the payoff day. I'm sorry. I'm just. Let me just zoom in. You can't really see that, can you? That must be the ex-dividend day, and then the payoff day is the 31st. That makes sense. So there we go. Thanks for that, mate. All right. We'll go to the breakfast bar in a minute. You can hover over each one and it gives you the info. Just log in and use it. I don't need to buy any stocks. Log into eToro. Okay, let me do that then. So we want eToro for Div Calendar. Thank you for that. Wonderful information. All right. I cannot believe space went down 17% yesterday. Why not? I can. Rob, I was saying it was going to go to 3. Why can you not believe it? You're supposed to watch this show so you're not surprised by anything. It's exactly what we expected it to do. What do you mean you can't believe it? People are so impatient. Less than 4 months. I know. Key at the top right. Thank you very much indeed. I will look into that later. I can't believe you're surprised. I want to send you now to the naughty step. If you're surprised by this, you need to go and visit the naughty step because you're not paying attention. You're not paying attention to what I'm spending my time telling you here. All right. The facts of the matter are quite obvious to everybody that the stock was going down, at least to me. I've been saying it. Rob, are you not listening to me anymore? You used to listen to me. All right. Anyway, this is all no surprise. No surprise at all. Virgin Galactic's going down. No one's got any patience anymore. Everybody wants to get rich in 5 minutes. Tesla, I'm not even going to say what I'm going to say because I've got a special video coming out later and a special live this afternoon, a live debate with special guests. And J&J will be the recipient. Right? Where's the old money going? Where's the old money going from? And where's the old money going to? All right. Anyway, there's a little taster for you. I'm saying too much. I'm giving it all away. I can't give it away. Right. Okay. There we go. The overall portfolio is down. Oh, I wish we had some more money. Keep buying the dips. Every time I buy the dips, it dip-de-doo-dahs again. It just keeps on going. All right. So there we go. Down at a... looks like we're very close. We're going to be hitting new lows if we're not careful. But that's what we want, right? That's what we want, though. Really. George, at the rate Virgin is going to be $3 tomorrow. Yep. Oh. Out to or today. Today. Yep. That's it. If it goes below 3, then the company will go bankrupt. I'm telling you that right now. I'm putting it right up there on a flagpole and winding it up. If it goes below 3, it will go bankrupt because people will then start to fear it's going in the way of Arrival and Mullen and everything else. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter how great or innovative the company is. If it runs out of money, it runs out of money. Right, where's the breakfast bar this morning? Let me go and have a look. Has everyone paid their ticket? I am very disappointed with the breakfast bar this morning. This is terrible. I have no pictures in the breakfast bar. Look at this. No pictures in the breakfast bar. Brick Mark has popped in. Very nice indeed. Morning all. He's going to get a nice... he's going to get a proper day trader badge. There we go. Mike has popped in. Good morning to you. He's going to get a day trader badge. And Flutter Edits is going to get a day trader badge. There you go. Where's the rest of you? Where's my pictures? I need my pictures of coffee and breakfast and cereal and Stuff like that. Otherwise, I can't continue on the light of this news. Space looks like a good opportunity, though. Massive dip and will surely soar on flights. I absolutely agree with you, Rob, but it's a few months away. And now we've got a shift of money moving out of volatile stocks. Tesla's going to be the big payer of that one today. That's what I'm talking about later. And it's going to go into J&J. It's going to go into safe stocks. And I wouldn't be surprised if Coca-Cola loads the boat as well. Kong and Kid, hey, did you see the PBTS stock? Did you see? No, I didn't see it. What's it all about? I can review a stock for you if you are a member. It's a member's perk. I will make a video on it. And sometimes I'll even buy the stock as well. If you want to be a member and be a part of all of that. Okay, here's the invitation to join. And of course, you can access our Discord channel as well and talk to all our investors and traders 24/7. And join us every morning in the Discord bar. In the breakfast bar. That's what I meant to say. Oh, it's George. It's George. I'll hop on my account now. Oh, is it? You got two accounts? What's going on here? I'm confused. ONCS made me profit today. Ricky Delgado. Very nice indeed, Ricky. Congratulations to you. I'm just holding my positions and accumulating on the way down. What's CMI pre-market, please? What's CMI pre-market? Brickmark, let me have a look for you. You're one of our members. Let me review a stock for you. Let's have a little look. CMI. Let's go and have a little look. CMI pre-market. We've got half an hour to go. Cummins. Let's have a little look. Cummins, manufacturer of market diesel and natural gas engines. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, it's up over 5 years. Steady growth. Not really it was affected by March 2020. Of course, we always look at that. Everything did, and it fought straight back. A little bit of a dip there, and it's been rising ever since. That looks a good chart to me. On the week, we are pretty flat. On the day, we are down 0.21. It pays a good dividend. That's very nice indeed. 16 times earnings. That's pretty good for this sector. It's a hold and a buy. No one's selling. Very nice indeed. And earnings is May the 2nd. It missed on earnings in Q3 quite considerably. Picked up on Q4. Estimated, expected May 2. Anyway, not too bad. Let's have a look at it right now. It's down 0.21. It's flat, just down a bit on the week. Flat on the month, really. Not really done very much. Going sideways for a while. I guess you're looking at that for the dividend. You've got a bit of growth there over time, over 5 years. Okay, not bad at all. Nice one. Is that one of your stocks, Mark? There was goo. There we go. I sent you PBTS stock news yesterday on Discord. Oh, thank you very much indeed, George. I didn't get a chance to see that. Let me have a look. Did you send me a private message? Let's have a little look. Robert, Cam, Brit. That's Malk. I don't know where you sent it, George. I can't see it on Discord. I don't know where you sent it, but anyway, I'll come back to that. Yes, it is. I work for them too. Oh, very nice indeed. Always good to invest in what you know. Makes a lot of sense. Oh, well, come all. On well, come all. I'm not sure what you mean. Welcome all. Welcome all. Okie dokie. Send it to me again, or anyway, I missed it. I don't know where that went. 8 o'clock on the hour. Time to run a commercial break. See you back in a few seconds. Here we go. Okay, the S&P is just dropping. Virgin Galactic, 465. Rivian, Tesla, 186. Could go to 150 today. We shall see. Apple, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase Energy, Bitcoin, Tilray, Robinhood, SoFi. All markets are down. I wonder if we will be getting close now to our position of being up all year. Let's go and have a look closer at that. I think we're getting closer to it now. Let's have a little look. Here we go. This is my year to date. We're still green, 4%. Still ahead of the S&P. I'm still beating the market, so I'm happy with that. If we look at the S&P, if we go to VU year to this year, hang on, let me go to VU a minute. VU. The last 3 months, we go from January, we were down at 4.5%. We're now at 2.5%. Yeah, 2%. I am beating the market at the moment. Yeah, I'm beating the S&P at the moment. For nearly 3 months now. Yeah, 2 months I've been beating the S&P. So I'm still very happy with my position. That's good. Oh, welcome all, says George. I don't know whether I should keep my SDIG or not. Become a member and I'll review the stock for you. Should you wish me to do so. You get 20 times back what you put in as a member. You'll notice 95% of our live viewers are members. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. I've checked, that's official by the way, of live viewers who are members. It's 95%. We're here to help people, and I work for you up to 10 hours a day in my studio, live all the time, and I don't make loads of videos. Well, I make videos as well, but I make more live videos than anything else because that's the best way to build a community. I'm here for you guys. That's what it's all about. Walmart is living up to its claim of falling prices. Let's have a look. Let's go to Walmart right now. I want to buy Walmart, but I want it to get cheaper before I do. Can't wait to start being able to trim off the top from some of my stocks so I can actually buy more than I am currently. We've got 25 minutes to go. Not long to go. I think we're going to have a dramatic day on the markets today. I think big swings today. Big swings. Opportunity all over the place today. If you are a scalp trader, Tesla's now down 7.8. There it is. Could go down 20% today. Could go down 20%. The big money is coming out and it's going to go somewhere else, and I reckon it will go into Coca-Cola and J&J. That's just my opinion. This is, of course, not financial advice. This is just what I think is going to happen with the money. Elon Musk made some big mistakes last night. Member of what? Ricky Dalga. Of our channel. You can be a member of our channel. You can be part of our family, and I give you 20 times back what you put in. Ask anyone. See, everyone's got a badge after their name. There's the invitation to join. You can have polls in the chat. I will answer all your questions. I will review stocks for you. There are special members-only videos. There are we've got cash prize giveaways, newsletter. That is free anyway for everyone, not just members. The cash prizes. Cash prize giveaway tomorrow. Remember. You could get invited to our party. We have a party every year. Last year was England. This year will be in New Mexico at the space station. Also, I will follow your social media. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser event. We celebrate your birthdays. Many, many perks and benefits. And it's the live members that actually support the shows. If you like all these live shows and you want live news up to 10 hours a day from me, it's the members that fund that. If I didn't have the members, I wouldn't be here. I only make about $2.50 now per live show, opening bell and closing bell. If it wasn't for the members, I wouldn't be here. Anyway. Or you can carry on as you are, watch for free. Perfectly welcome to do that as well. Google, Microsoft, 25 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's see if we can get up to 100 likes on the video today. And if we can, we'll give away a cash prize during the show. Let's see if we can do that right now. So let's go over to the video and see how many people are watching. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Thumbs up. And here we go. We got 28 watching right now. Let me zoom in. 13 likes. Let's get to 30 likes. 28 watching. There you go. And let's get to 30 likes if we can. We're on 13 right now. We've got 35 seconds to go. Let's get to 20 likes before the show starts. That'll be absolutely fantastic. 30 seconds to go. Here we go. 13 likes. Let's get up to 20 if we can. If we get 100 by the end of the show, I will give away a cash prize. Today is the last day to enter the competition for tomorrow, where you're going to get your very own Virgin Galactic song customized to you. Have you taken part in that competition yet? It's free to enter, free for all. You can have your very own Virgin Galactic song dedicated to you. Very quiet this morning. People don't like it when the markets go down. I never understand that. It's the very opposite. You should be here more when the markets go down. I don't understand it. Well, I do. It's how I invest, because it's my strategy, because I see that people are only enthusiastic about the markets when they're going up. And that is the back to front, inside out version. You should be happy when the markets go down, because that's when you accumulate. You don't do anything when it goes up, do you? You just enjoy it going up. Maybe you scalp it off the top or sell a bit, but for me, I just hold it and scalp a little bit, trim off the top to buy something else that's emerging. For me, the best days to be here, and you can see most people don't come on the bad days and the red days, and that makes no sense at all. Not to me anyway. I was reading today a note from a trader who made a good point. Why invest in defensive stocks when you can get over 5% with zero risk in short-dated treasuries? It's not worth the risk for a dividend now. He's got a point. Of course, you could just put your money in high interest rate accounts as well, and earn sort of 4%. I get 4% just by leaving my money in Robinhood. No risk whatsoever. I take your point. However, that person is missing the point that you are missing the opportunity to buy a great company that's beat up. I'm not just saying buy any dividend stock for the sake of a dividend. No, we've always said that. The growth, it doesn't balance out what you get on a dividend. It makes no sense. However, J&J done exactly what I said. Look at that. Look at that. I predicted that some moments ago. The money will come out of Tesla now and go into J&J. The big investors are leaving Tesla now after last night's presentation. It's part of my video later on, because J&J is oversold. So yes, you may only earn a couple of percent or whatever, 3-4%, whatever. However, if you can buy it when it's oversold and it's about to be restructured into a new business and much more profitable, and investors are unsure, so they run to the hills, they overreact, they sell everything, then it goes down, you buy it. So it's a really simple strategy, isn't it? You buy when everyone's selling quality stocks that are beaten up. That is what Warren Buffett does. He buys great companies at great prices. It's why he won't buy Tesla. So, it's destroying itself right now. It doesn't care about the investor. We're getting a bit into my video now. But so there you go. Sent you that note. Check out private chat. Kid Kong sent you that news. Check out private chat. Send you that news. Thank you very much indeed, George. I'll check that out. Just scanning charts and listening to you, Mr. Martin. Thank you very much indeed, Ed. You're missing opportunity, but you're also missing risk. There's no risk with owning J&J at all. Over 5% absolutely risk-free. You want to be getting double that, 10% plus dividend for the risk you are taking of a capital loss. I don't feel risky buying J&J. Good bear market strategy if you don't want to short, in my opinion. Okay, 22, I take your point. Bill, welcome, Bill. Lovely to have you here. How are you, mate? I normally see you in the beginning of the show. I hope you're well these days. Ali Isles was asking after you. Is Ali Isles here? Ali Isles wanted to talk to you today. Ali Isles, yes, he is. Ali Isles, let me put Bill is here. There you go. Ali Isles wanted to ask after you. Let's see if he comes back and notices what I just said. All right. So, Virgin Galactic just picking up a little bit. I'm not buying any more. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Could see it going to 150 today, but I don't know. Fanboys are they're very aggressive with their investments. However, they're as weak as a kitten. When the big investors leave, which they are this morning, the retail investors, the fanboy, they're just made up of paper people. They'll blow over. They'll blow over. All the noise on Reddit, all the noise on Twitter, all the noise will just be squashed. Retail investors like us, we have no power at all. We think we do, but we don't. We have short-term power when it comes to shorting stocks, perhaps, but the institutions look at us and laugh. They don't care about our millions of dollars of investments. They don't care. They're multi-billion dollars of investments. They don't care what we think at all. So, anyway, Amazon's on sale right now. Phenomenal. Turn on the margin. Turn on the margin. Buy Amazon. Buy all of it. Oh my God. I can see Leah now. You've done what? J&J down 14% year to date. No such thing as low risk equity in this market, in my opinion. This is a short-term thing. 22, I get your point, but that to me is a screaming opportunity. But more than ever now, markets are not affected by, but influenced by media now than any other time in history. With Robinhood, with YouTube, with social media, and all the rest of it, it's not getting the attention that it deserves. Other stocks are. It's not rock and roll. It's not sexy. It's not fun. It sells soap. It's like Warren Buffett says he loves Wrigley's chewing gum, and stuff like that. It doesn't get the attention. And that's what I want. I don't want a load of Redditors and tweeters getting all excited about J&J. What's the point? I was studying it yesterday. Their dividend yield is under 2%. I get what you're saying. But right now, I want to protect my money. And I think it's the right thing to do. What I'll end up doing, 22, is I will start trimming it back. So it becomes less of my portfolio. I will make some profits from it, trim it back, and then look at diluting it a little bit. That's all. Anyway, that's my strategy. My strategy is my strategy. We can debate it, and I love the debate with you every day. It's brilliant. So bonds would be 3% better income and not down 14%. I maybe need to look into bonds. I've never done it. I've never done options trading, never done bonds. Maybe I should. Right, the S&P is starting to come up. Virgin Galactic is trying to come up, but it's weak right now. Virgin Orbit down. Rivian still going down. Tesla down 7.83. Where's it going to go? We've got 15 minutes to go. Where's it going to go? Let's see if we manage to get 100 likes yet on the video. No, we're at... let me see if I can bring it up to 20 now. We've got 31 watching. If we get 100 likes on the show, we'll give away a cash prize. I want to do it. I want to do it. It's up to you, though, guys. All you got to do is like the video. Are you ready? Here we go. There are 21 watching. What happened there? Did I just run a commercial break? 21 watching. Let's get to 20 likes. We're at 16 now. Smash the like button if you've got 30 seconds to go. Let's see if we can do it. Did I just run a commercial? Yes, I did, didn't I? You're all behind the break. That's all right. 16. Can we get to 20? Lucid still going down. Tesla still going down. Watching closely. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Hey! Thanks for all the loves over there on TikTok. Who's doing that? It's Andrew J. There we go. We got to 20. There it is. We got to 20 in the end. Fantastic. I'm so pleased about that. I was getting worried then for a minute. I thought, where's everybody gone? 21. There you go. We're soaring now. 21. Lovely stuff. All right. Let's get back to it. The overall position, down 0.64. S&P's coming up. That's 42% of my portfolio. Could have bought some more there today. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Can't wait to see what happens with Tesla this morning. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. I just don't see where the benefits of defensive is at the moment. They don't pay a high enough dividend, and they will not shoot up like growth stocks when the market goes up. No, I'm sure you're right, but I'm not looking for a short-term growth though. Remember my strategy. At the end of the day, I want to get to 100,000 by the end of this year. 200,000 by the end of next year, and ultimately 200,000. I've not got grandeur to reach 1 million or anything like that. I just want a stable portfolio that's growing steadily. I don't need the money right now, and maybe I'll never need the money, and maybe I'll never retire. For me, health and happiness is more important, and a growth stock is only great if you then exit. And the trouble is, so many people who had Tesla, for example, and I did the same thing. I bought it all the way to $1,200. Remember that? And then ended up losing it because we all thought it was going to go to $1 gazillion. Whereas a stock that grows steadily over time will return you more money to your actual pocket than perhaps a growth stock that explodes, dumps, and you didn't get out of it. I don't know. I think greed you can get carried away with greed and expectation and not know how to exit it. And also, of course, if you exit it too soon, I made that mistake last year. My first year of trading, not only did I buy at the top of the market, when I sold and took profits, I paid a higher rate of tax on it as well because I made short-term gains. I think you're better off putting money into a Roth, getting your 1% match, guaranteed free money, then not selling it for 20 years. Steady growth, keep accumulating when the dips come. Like you said, in a year from now, I won't be able to buy any dips, so I can stop buying defensive stocks, stop buying the bottom of the market, start then adding up my cash, start earning 4% on uninvested cash just in Robinhood alone, and then perhaps look at what you're saying, bonds and other things like that. But anyway, the time to be defensive was last year when interest rates were so high and the market was dropping. or weren't so high, beg your pardon. The time to be defensive was last year when interest rates weren't so high and the market was dropping. You'll need some serious pops to 3x or even 2x in a year, with no margin, that is. Well, I think it will come. I think it will come just with Virgin Galactic alone. Virgin Galactic, because I own just 200 shares at the moment, there's no risk for me. It won't affect my portfolio in a negative way. But however, because there is so little risk for me, and I've got it $4.10, when it goes to $100, I don't have to sell it. I can ride it all the way up. Now, when I was at 2,000 shares, 4,000 shares is my aim, then I would trim on the way up. So would I make more money with 4,000 shares and starting to trim at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't know, pick a number, or 200 shares all the way to 100 because there's no risk? Perhaps I could make more money doing that. So I think there's plenty of potential in my portfolio for explosive growth later this year. Anyway, that's my thoughts. What about crypto? Any insight on crypto? Yes, we have a $1,000 to $7,000 challenge and a $10,000 to $100,000 challenge live on our show, Randy. We have a crypto, I call him my crypto expert, who tells me every day what crypto to buy. Yes, we are doing that. We are running that on our Discord server, and I will look at sharing that with you in a minute. It's if you are a member, I can review stocks and go into detail straight away. That's why nearly everyone who watches our channel is a member. 95% of our live viewers are members. But I will share with you my crypto challenge, 1,000 to 10,000 and 7,000 to 100,000 later in the show. I'll give you the invitation to join. If you want to be a member, I can do it straight away, but I have to focus on the members right now. There you go. There's the invitation to join. Also, you can access Discord and talk to our crypto expert, Ali Tizro, who does all the charts for you, shares all his experiences with you. Awesome. I'll have to check it out, my friend. Thank you. I'm new here. Welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio behind me. Let me give you a wave. Every night we have live premieres of live music. I'm here in Texas, my studio, and I'm originally from England, but this is where I am right now. Welcome to you. And we're live up to 10 hours a day. We're here. Our aim is to become the most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. We're actually on 20 platforms at the same time, but our home is actually YouTube, all right? And I'm live up to 10 hours a day because I want to build a community. For me, it's about building a community, and that's why everyone here is a member. Anyway, nice setup. Many thanks. You're very, very welcome. If you ever become a member, you get 20 times what you put back in. I go live up to 10 hours a day at the same time every day. You can join whenever you want. Ask me any question. I will review a stock for you. I'll even buy shares in a stock and promote it and make a video if you've got something that you are interested in. I answer every question on YouTube, every question. I follow your social media if you are a YouTuber. I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you are a YouTuber as well. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser if you've got a favorite charity. We've raised over $1 million for our charities live on the show. I will celebrate your birthday for you and a family member and give you a song which you can get to keep. We had the Virgin Galactic single that came out. We are Virgin Galactic investors here. And here's the Virgin Galactic song. And up to $1 million, I will buy $1 million worth of Virgin Galactic shares with the money I make from the Virgin Galactic song. There it is. And I'm hoping Richard Branson will take me on the rocket ship with the song. That's my aim. And I'm going to the space station later this year. And I hope to be able to sing the song there. Anyway, J&J is still up 95% in the last 10 years, even on this huge dip. And that is without the dividend. Defensive stocks help me sleep. Exactly. There it is. Eric B. Very, very sensible guy. Nice setup. Many thanks. Would everybody please welcome our guest in, Randy Owens. Put your city and country, Randy, and let us know where you're from. And would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome Randy into the show. Randy, we've got our cash giveaway tomorrow. It's free to enter, free. Every Friday we give away money, completely free. We do it all the time. In fact, we give away money every day on the show if we get 100 likes on the video. So click subscribe, ring the bell if we get 100 likes, and we'll give away a cash prize every day on the show. All right. If you want to talk to all our Ed Nevius's tips, there we go. Every morning on Discord, Ed Nevius's tips. Welcome in BRTX on watch. Ed Nevius does tips every morning, scalp tips. He releases them first on Discord and then announces them during the show. Okay, if you want to see all that, it's one of our members only channels. You need to be a member to see it, but Discord is free. But to see Ed Nevius's tips, it's part of being a member here. Okay, right then, we've got just 3 minutes to go. We're getting ready for the markets to open. I'm expecting an explosive day today. Tesla on the downside and defensive stocks to pick up all the money. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, let's read the comments. Welcome in, says Ed Nevius. Hi, Randy from San Antonio, Texas. Hey, Rando, there you go. Getting welcomes in here. Lovely. Welcome from Oxford in the United Kingdom. Crag, welcome all. Green Day. Do you want to run a poll, Crag? I don't think so. I think the overall markets will be down. I think I could be green today because I think the money will come out of Tesla and go into defensive stocks. That's my thought on it. That's my thought. We shall see. We shall see if I'm right. The overall portfolio is just starting to recover. We're coming up to the minute. Here we go. Get ready. We've had 107 through the stream so far. 6,649 subscribers. We've just gained another one. Here we go. Okay, 1 minute to go. Okay, here we go. Just 30 seconds to go. Are we going to see a red or green day? "24 seconds to go. Watching everything. Where are we going to end up? Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. Markets are reacting a little bit. No surprise. Going down. Let's have a look at what Tesla's doing. I expect to see Tesla go as low as 150, 60. Just my thoughts. Virgin Orbit going down. Rivian going down. Tesla 186. Here it goes. Let's see what it does. Retail investors, fanboys can get you so far, but they're just weak. They'll be blown over by the institutions leaving, and I think they'll go into defensive stocks. That's only my thoughts. That's what I think. Let's see if it works out that way. J&J still going down at the moment. Let's go back to Tesla. Virgin Galactic just starting to go green. Just a little bit. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Well, Jim did say bye. Jim Cramer. Yeah. Lucid. Apple. My portfolio is holding strong though. I'm only 0.5 down. McDonald's is going up. Defensive stocks. Coca-Cola, defensive stocks. J&J still going down. It's because of the splitting of the business. It's why it's, for me, the best opportunity to buy. But I do want to buy Coca-Cola. It might be a bit too late now, though, because we've got the ex-dividend date on the 16th, so it's still time, but we're down 2%. It's a good time to buy. However, time will run out very quickly. People will buy in quickly. I'm sure that's where the smart money is going. J&J is going down. This is a massive opportunity now. I think so anyway. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. Oh, that's nice. Up nearly 1%. Enphase down 1.32. Bitcoin is down 0.55. Tilray down 1%. Robinhood down 2.98, going down nearly 4% now. Opportunity knocks for Robinhood. Keep nibbling all the way down. SoFi, my overall balance is okay. I'm holding up. My overall portfolio is strong. Coca-Cola, I've got a big part of that in my Roth IRA as well. So that's bringing my portfolio up. J&J still going down. That's a massive part of my Roth IRA. So my Roth IRA will be being punished right now. Tesla, let's go back to it. 188. Down. I thought it would go lower. I still think it will. It's weak at the moment. What is the volume on it at the moment? Let's have a quick look. Get a closer look over here. The volume on Tesla right now is... let's have a quick look. It's just trying to edge up a little bit. The volume right now is 16 million. The average is 175. So it's about normal at the moment, first thing in the morning. In fact, possibly less, I would say, because after Investor Day, we should have a bit more movement this morning. It happened last night, so perhaps not. We shall see. 16.8 million at the moment on Tesla. Let's see where Virgin Galactic is going. There we go. It's going up. J&J still going down 150 now. Coca-Cola is getting all the money, as is McDonald's. There we go. Safest stock you can own, Coca-Cola. Anthony the God. Hey, Martin, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome. J&J, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, picking up the slack. Enphase, Bitcoin, still expecting to see Bitcoin go down to 15,000. That's our crypto challenge, what we're doing, 1,000 to 10,000 challenge we're doing live on the show with my real money. Canoe, these interest rates will destroy the speculative stocks that need to raise funds. Meta is going up. Right, let's go over to my overall portfolio then. Let me show you. It's doing quite well. Considering today the markets could be destroyed by Tesla, my overall position's okay. Let me share with you my entire position. Look, here we go. So my overall portfolio is just down 0.59, nothing really too dramatic. Roth IRA is down 1.29. That is because of of J&J, no question about it. So I'm now below 43,000. We were approaching the 44,000. So we've had a bit of a hit, but let's just get some context. Year to date, we're still up 4%. I'm still beating the S&P. I'm still beating the general markets. So I'm happy with my portfolio, despite everything. For me, this is just an opportunity to buy more defensive. I think that's the way to go, so I can accumulate more, then trim off the top, and then reposition. That's my strategy. Anyway, stupidly put 1,000 in NEO yesterday, thinking it couldn't go any lower. Oh, I wouldn't touch NEO, I'm afraid. It's not for me. I don't like those Chinese stocks. It's not for me. Even though we go to a Chinese audience, welcome all our Chinese friends around the world. Thanks to all of you. Gove is down 5.7%. The overall markets are falling. Let's go back to Tesla. It's going back down again. I said it would go down to 150 today. I can see that happening easily. Ford is up, is it? Let's have a look. Ford is up very, very slightly. It was up more, but there we go. Thank you, Mark. Rivian all-time low. I've said Rivian now can go to $9. Time to add a bit more, perhaps, if you've got a position there. But it doesn't make any money on its cars, though. It doesn't make any money. It loses money on all its cars. That's the trouble with Rivian, as good as it is. It's a great truck, but no one cares about the truck outside of the US. No one cares about that. Around the world, no one's interested in the truck. It's the Amazon deal that is way more valuable. No, Tesla will go up today. Oh, we got SOAN. We got one of our fanboys in today. We're going to have a big Tesla debate this afternoon. I'm afraid Elon Musk last night destroyed the investors. And I've got evidence to prove that. He doesn't care about the big investors. He told you so. He puts it on Twitter. He's made it quite clear. I'm very sorry, but the fanboys cannot themselves. Doesn't matter how much they tweet, how much they put it on Reddit, how much they say Elon Musk is the king of the world. Elon Musk doesn't care about you. He said it last night. The presentation proved it. His words proved it. The facts of the matter are the big institutions are leaving Tesla and they're going to go into defensive stocks. No question about it whatsoever. And anyway, we're going to cover all that later with a special interview later on this afternoon, special debate and a special video coming out shortly. If you think that Tesla can just keep running and running and running just because you say so, a retail investor has no power whatsoever. We have the opportunity to short stocks and in the short term create some havoc on the markets, but the big institutions, the big money looks at us and laughs. We've got too carried away with our self-importance, thinking that we can control the markets. Well, we can't. And retail investors, all of us here, even if you have $1 million, you're a retail investor, and we have no control. And last night, Elon Musk put two fingers up to the investors, the real investors I'm talking about, not the day traders, not the retail investors, not us. But anyway, fanboys think they can control the destiny of Tesla. Well, they can't. They can't. And Cathie Wood making ridiculous claims about $1,500 a share. All of it is now going to be proved to be ridiculous. We shall see. I've got no doubts whatsoever. 100% no doubt at all. You can judge me on my results, judge me on what happens afterwards. We shall see how it all pans out. Anyway, we want to give away a cash prize today. It's our cash giveaway tomorrow. Last opportunity to win the Virgin Galactic single. The Virgin Galactic record came out a couple of days ago. It's nearly 1,000 views now. All the money I get from it, I'm spending on Virgin Galactic stock. So so far it's made $20. I'll share with you in a video all about it. So I bought 2 shares yesterday. I've got another 2 today. I want to buy 1 million shares of Virgin Galactic with it. So it's up to you. I still feel that Virgin Galactic is going to $3 a share. That's why I only own 200 at the moment. SOA to N, you didn't come back. I guess you didn't like what I said, so you thought sod it. All right, give me your debate. Tell me that Elon Musk performed well last night. Tell me what he said was good for you. I'd love you to come on the show and call in. In fact, I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge. In fact, no, I don't need to do that. I'll do it later on for the special interview this afternoon. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, if we can get to let's get to 40 likes. Then we're 40% of the way to our free giveaway. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Smash the like button. Are you ready? Let's see if we can get to 40 likes in the space of 1 minute. You ready? Here we go. Okay, there are 46 watching right now. There you go, 46. There it is. And we are at 25 likes. Let's see if we can get to 40 likes in 30 seconds from now. Awesome stuff. We're on 25. There are 46 watching. And there are 25 likes. Smash the like button. Let's go, 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 go. Virgin Orbit is still going down. 23 seconds to go. 26, 27. We could at least do 30. Come on, let's smash it. If we get to 100 likes, I want to give away a cash prize live in the show. Awesome. 12 seconds to go. Nearly there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 27, 28. There we go. Nearly there. Brilliant stuff. 30. Yes, we made 30. Brilliant. Great. Okay, let's go back to Virgin Orbit. Rivian trying to bounce back. Tesla 188. Where's it going? Hey, Zach is here. Just smashed a like. Excellent stuff. 31, 32. Brilliant. Look, it's gone to 32 now. There we go. Very nice indeed. Welcome, welcome. Well, I can tell you my 10,000 subscriber date is moving up. It's moving up. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we can do fundraisers for people like Zach, where the super chats go directly to the registered charity. Really exciting when I get to 10,000 subscribers. It's the end of the year, 29th of December, but I think actually we are moving up. We are moving up, and 1 million views in 108 days. So I'm still holding that position as well. So it's all good. The S&P is down 0.53. My overall portfolio is just going sideways at 0.53, just falling back a bit more now. Virgin Galactic still going, is up, but going back down again. Virgin Orbit 125. I'm very concerned now that Virgin Orbit is going too cheap. I am very concerned now. Rivian 1565. Tesla 189. No energy. Nothing. The fanboys can't push it up anymore. They've run out of money. They can't do it anymore. The big institutions are leaving. They left last night in their droves. They don't like what Elon Musk is doing to the company. They've lost faith. There could be a no vote of confidence. I'll discuss all that later on in the show later on. But the volume of Tesla this morning is now... Let's have a look at the volume now. The volume is, let me look at it, 29 million. Average is 175. After an investor day, it should be up maybe 50, 60 million by now, but it's not. The volume is gone out of Tesla this morning. The stock isn't going anywhere at the moment. It didn't bounce back yet. What do you think? Do you think it's going to fly up to the moon? It's not even a real financial phrase, by the way. That was made up by YouTubers on crypto. I don't see it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's some billion-dollar retail investor who could buy all the shares this morning. I don't see that, but maybe you could tell me. It's overvalued. It's basically the value now of about 200 grand a car. That's the value of the company right now. Anyway, Vorb's going to hit $1 soon. Very scary, isn't it? He talked about other planets. I guess he will find new customers there. Yeah, afternoon all. Dave Mottram, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Hi, Zach. Dave in the house. Dave in the house. Dave in the house. Right. Good stuff. Right. Very concerned now with Virgin Orbit. Remember, it has nothing to do with Virgin Galactic at all, but they do share marketing. That is all. Robinhood now is down nearly 5%. So Robinhood is being dumped now. There's our retail investor flag right there. Down 5.6%. We're heading all the way back down now. This is where I want to start buying it again. This is when I'm going to start buying it again. Perfect. My portfolio is bouncing back now very nicely. It's coming back up again. I am 8%. I am 8% after that amateurish show last night, but I'm confident Tesla will recover sooner or later. Ian GJE. Everything about that presentation is there. It's clear as day. Tesla has destroyed itself. It doesn't mean to say that Tesla is going anywhere, but the stock price is being destroyed. Elon, I don't want to go on about it too much. I've got a video coming out about it later. Anyway, it was awful last night. Absolutely disgusting last night. Did anyone know it? Well, no. I'm trying to save it for later. They need to get us launched and out to give them a boost. They do. Anyone else mad at the SI put at the 10 strike price? That is what I'm mad about. You'll see if you look. Fug this darn app. Oh, Flutter Edits is angry this morning. I'm not an options trader, so I'm not the best person to ask about that. I don't do options trading. It's not my thing. The S&P tried to recover it, but it's being sold off again. Virgin Galactic is going up at the minute. Virgin Orbit is now 125. Can't believe it. Rivian is trying to recover. Tesla isn't doing anything. The volume is gone. I'm so pissed that Robinhood would not let me buy a put. What happened last night? We're going to cover it in a special debate this afternoon. So we're going to end this show in 10 minutes, and there's special videos coming out this afternoon. Okay, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, the safe money, McDonald's, there you go. One of the safest stocks. That and Coca-Cola is there you go. Look at that. It's going to pick up all this. It's going to pick up all the money from Tesla. There you go. All the big money is going into Tesla. Is it going into Coke, into the defensives? Oh, the only reason why J&J hasn't taken off yet is because it's splitting the company. Martyn, does Verizon pay dividends? Let me have a quick look at it for you. You are a member, so I can review the stock for you. Let me have a little look. Verizon, 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 VZ. Let's have a little look. Does it pay a dividend? I will tell you right now. Give me a second. My Procter & Gamble is climbing. Very nice indeed. Yes, it does. 6.75. 6.75 dividend yield. Not good. Here we go, says Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro, we've had people this morning asking about your crypto challenge. Where have you been? You need to be here every day. What do you think of Investor Day? Absolutely diabolical. I've got a video coming out about it shortly. We're going to end this show in a few minutes' time and talk about it. But there you go. The dividend is great, but it loses money. So for me, yes, it pays a dividend, but it doesn't cover the losses that it occurs here. So to me, that's not a good investment. I don't buy a company just because of the dividend. If it loses more in value than you make in the dividend, what is the point? What is the point of that? Because they won't pay out the dividend. Is the dividend reliable? Oh, Flutter Edits is really angry. Flutter Edits is really angry. Look at that. Went from 0.05 to $300. I'm so pissed. Oh, there you go. Project Freedom. Check. .zim. I can't do that for you. You're not a member. It's a members only perk. What did you think of Investor Day? We've got a video coming out shortly. You can only imagine my thoughts on what I'd been hinting at this morning. Anyway, it's gone exactly as planned. Everything is Virgin Galactic going down was exactly as planned. Tesla going down was exactly as planned. There's no surprises here. There shouldn't be any surprise to anyone. There shouldn't be any surprises. People live in hope. They live in hopery. They want things they will things to go up. They think we're all going to go to the moon. They use this silly phrase. It's silly, 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 right? It's, the big institutions laugh at us, at the retail investors, and think we're all silly. Anyway, they're taking their money out of Tesla right now, and they're buying all the defensive stocks. And you can see McDonald's this morning is pumped up, even though the markets are down. Coca-Cola is shot up as well. You can see it as clear as day. And my portfolio is doing fine. Tesla is down like 7% last night, 8% I think it was, and my portfolio is down 0.35. It's clear as day. I remember the Wolf of Dubai told his viewers if could put all your money in a stock and leave it long term without checking it would be Tesla. Worst advice ever. The Wolf of Dubai prime purpose is to sell you his training plan. His sole purpose is selling you his trading plan. And his trading plan is the most ridiculous trading plan in the history of the world. He doesn't want you to do anything. They just want you to follow a set plan, his plan. And his plan doesn't work. And you know it doesn't work because he's never online anymore. He only comes on when it goes up. He never comes online when it goes down. And because he would be absolutely slammed. And he actually says, he gives financial advice. It's actually against the terms and conditions of YouTube. It's not enough. It's not enough to say, don't follow my trades. That's not enough. You need to put a disclaimer in your YouTube description, a legal disclaimer, which I do, by the way, in every single video I've ever made. Also repeat, this is not financial advice. But most importantly, put the legal disclaimer below in the description. He doesn't do that. And he sells you a training program, which suggests it is financial advice. It's absolutely ridiculous. But there you go. BBBY going way up just like a good for you. Well, congratulations. How the mighty Tesla has fallen. I'm afraid Elon Musk has destroyed it. I've said over and over and over and over again. I don't know how many times I can say it. Retail investors cannot save this now. What's going to happen now, in my opinion, and I might be wrong, I'm wrong all the time, is Tesla will go down to 150, and it might even go to 140, and the institutions will, I still think the institutions are going to drive it a lot lower because they lost faith in Elon Musk last night. He would not answer the questions. He was half asleep. He was up all night playing on Twitter. It was called the Investor Day. You've got billionaire investors sat in a room listening to you where you're going on about Twitter and falling asleep. If you think that's good, then I'm sorry, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. If you stand by and defend Elon Musk this morning, you are an idiot. You are an idiot. You cannot go around, allowing anyone to say anything. And Elon Musk knows people will do that. It's like Michael Jackson. You remember Michael Jackson at the end when no one would tell him what to do and no one would advise him. He had no one protecting him. Well, Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, running amok. He's doing whatever he wants, and it's all got out of control. And Twitter is taking over his mind. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is climbing. He'll get sued if he's not careful. That's right, he will. Go around selling financial advice when you're a YouTuber. Oh my gosh. The purpose of being a YouTuber, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me. I like using that phrase. Dan Penner. No, Dan Penner. That's what he says. He says, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, Bitcoin will go to zero. Whoosh! Like that. I love it. I love when he says that. Basically, for me, YouTube is about building a community. That's it. It's not about selling trading programs. It's not about anything else. It's about building a family of people that want to watch entertaining video. That's it. Along the way, you share information and knowledge or whatever it is you do. That's fine. But essentially, it's about building a community. It's not about trying to manipulate your audience to buying stuff. However, Roll up, buy your mugs, buy your mugs. That's not why you're here. It's not why you're here, is it? However, you can buy a mug. It's in the chat. So come on, buy a mug. Virgin Galactic's going back up. Yeah, a short-term pump might be. I'm not going to chase that at all. I've got a nice balance at 410. Don't tell Ali about selling services. Well, what's Ali doing? Oh, Ali is selling. He's not. Ali can do what he wants. He's a sponsor of my channel and he has a business. And that is fine. And he is providing a service. He is providing a service. The very existence of his service is paid for. It's a service. I totally get it. He's providing a service. That's completely different. Ali Tizro. Our services are very different. They are. Ali provides a service for you, and it's a completely different thing. I'm providing entertainment. There's nothing entertaining about Ali Tizro. Let me tell you that. I have conversations with Ali Tizro. There's nothing entertaining. This is the conversation you get with Ali Tizro, right? With me, this is what you get, right? Very entertaining. Very entertaining, right? Whiskey days on your birthday. Entertaining. This is what I get with Ali Tizro. When I speak to Ali Tizro, when I phone him up, when we do a little private chat, this is what I get. Is this entertaining? He says, Martyn, I want you to go onto Coinbase. He's not all excited like me. He's very downbeat, actually. He says, do you want to go onto Coinbase? I go, yeah. I want you to buy I want you to buy this coin. All right, then. Do I know what it's about? No. Just buy it because it's going to make you money. Okay, all right. What's it called? Sandbox. Sandbox was the latest one. All right, Sandbox. So you want me to buy? Yeah. Go into buy. Click. You want to buy $20 a Sandbox. All right. Is that it? Yeah. Great. Anything else? Yeah. Well, we're here. We'll buy a bit of more. We'll buy a bit more of this one. He said it's going to make you rich. Oh yeah. Yeah. Your 1,000 is going to turn to $10,000. Okay. Right. Are we done? Yeah. Brilliant. It's not very entertaining. It's not very entertaining. It's boring. But, however, it's going to make me $10,000. So I like it. So he can be as boring as he wants. And he can charge for that service all he likes. Because he provides no entertainment whatsoever. It's bloody boring. I don't even know why I pick up the phone when he rings me. Because I know what he's going to say. The trouble is I don't know what he's going to say. I don't know which coin he's going to tell me to buy next. So I have to pick it up and go, all right, what's it next? What we buying today? Oh, we're buying that. All right, we're buying that. All right, are we done? Yeah. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. See ya. That's why you pay for that service, not entertainment. Martyn, do you think VO is worth a punt after hitting all-time low, or is it going bankrupt? VO, worried that no more launches, do you mean Vorb, are planned as yet and cash burn is quite high? Pete Barker, are you talking about Virgin Orbit? I've got very strong views on it. Are you talking about Virgin Orbit? I need to clarify. See, Ali Tizro. In fact, Ali Tizro, are you able to call in because we want to talk about you right now? Let me bring up the broadcast lounge. Broadcast lounge is open. There we go. Ali Tizro, you're invited in. Launch due to be announced in California, Pete, but how low will it go before then? I'm worried about it. Yes. I wouldn't be happy with the stock going this low. If it goes any lower, basically what's happening now, Vorb, yes. Okay, let's talk about it very quickly. Virgin Orbit is being sold. Everyone's dumping it. When I went to Virgin Orbit, I told you I said it, and I'll keep repeating myself. You can check everything I've ever said. I said to you that the people that work at Virgin Orbit don't believe in the stock. I was there. I went there. I spoke to people. You saw me there live. I was there. You paid for me to go. It was a Kickstarter campaign. And I found out for you, and I spoke to the staff. They don't believe in the stock. The staff don't own the stock. The people that work there don't own the stock. What's going on, right? So I have taken a punt on it. It's a long-term investment. It's not for today. It's for the patient. I do believe in the technology. I think it's the most efficient way of putting satellites into space. Way more than rocket ships. Way more. So it has a place. I think it's worth doing. However, I am not buying any more. And now you look at it now. You look at it now in my brokerage and you go, well, you haven't got anything. Look at it in my Roth IRA. I've got a lot more. I've got 880 shares. I'm down 23%. I'm not throwing money after bad. That is a bad investment, right? I'm holding it. If it goes to 4, 5, 10, 20, that's fine. I make some money. I'm not buying it now because it's too cheap. I don't want something that's being given away. When I used to promote my theatre shows, when we gave the tickets away for free, nobody wanted to come. If it's too cheap, nobody wants it. Nobody wants it. So this puts the wrong signal out. And two, they can't raise funds. They need funds. They need Richard Branson to bail them out. So I'm not throwing money after bad just because it's cheap. However, I'm not selling it either. Because if it goes to zero, it will not affect my portfolio. It won't damage me. And to prove that, without any shadow of a doubt, let me share my portfolio right now. There you go. It's coming right back up again. Why is it coming back up again? Let me share with you. This defensive stock works. It works in the market that we are in right now. Where's my ticker gone? Hang on a minute. Who's taken that off the screen? Who came in here? And there we go. Right, what's going up? What's going up right now? The S&P is going up. You can't beat it. It's boring, but you can't beat it. Virgin Orbit still going down, 125. Rivian coming back up. Tesla starting to recover a bit, but not much. What do you think about it? It's still down a massive 8% last night. Lucid is coming up a bit. Apple is coming up a bit. But that's not it. Amazon. It's my S&P 500 that's doing it. And this tells you everything. The defensive stocks, particularly Coca-Cola and McDonald's, are taking the money from Tesla, in my humble opinion. Lucid. Shall we check Lucid out? Yep, it's down 3.65. You're right, people get put off if something looks too cheap. Yes, if it's too cheap, no one wants to buy it. When I used to charge $40 a ticket, everybody came. When it was free, nobody came. So on that basis, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce all memberships are going up by 10x today. From now on, you are paying 10 times the price for your membership, and you're going to love it. You're going to love it. You're going to love paying more money. I'm going to stuff it to everybody, every one of you. We're going to put the memberships up today by 10x because you will love it. The more expensive it gets, the more you want it, right? There's a time and a place. And I said to you, I will never, ever, ever put up my memberships. Ever. Never, ever do it. This channel is supposed to deliver the best services, increase on value, give you more, always undersell, always over-deliver, never increase prices, offer more for less, all the time, now and into the future. There you go. I can't do 1,000 a month. Yes, you can, and you will love doing it. You will love it. Every single month you will sit there at your dinner table and you'll go, I've got no food today. I've got no food. There's nothing on my plate. I can't eat because my money is going into memberships to Martyn Lucas, and that is how it should be, and I'm happy about that. But you haven't got any food. That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I am paying $1,000 a month for my membership, and I love it. Forbes is the only stock I own. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in. I bought it for a short-term play. Still the launch thinking we are at the bottom of the market, though. It was a bargain. Damn, I was wrong. Crag, it's so frustrating. I get it. Rolex versus Omega. Basically the same watch, but everyone wants a Rolex. There you go. There you go. From now on, we'll be known as the Rolex. We're gonna, I think we should put, in fact, I'm gonna run a poll. Okay, here we go. I'm going to run a poll. I'm not gonna do an Elon Musk and say I'll do what the bloody hell I want. Sod the rest of you. I'm gonna ask my audience. I'm gonna ask my audience. Are you ready? Shall I put up the memberships by 10x becoming a Rolex? There we go. Shall I put up the memberships by 10x by becoming a Rolex? Yes or no? So you decide. Do I put up the memberships by 10x, thereby becoming a Rolex? Let the audience decide. Let the audience decide. And digest it with vodka. There you go. Drink it down. Rolex versus Omega. Basically the same watch, but everyone wants a Rolex. And digest with vodka. I'm going to say yes because it makes no difference to me. Says 22. Right, my portfolio's looking strong. The S&P's looking great. I'm perfectly happy. Everyone's rocking and rolling. Here is my... There we go. There you go. Stuff it down. Just take it. As the wolf of Wall Street said, get that stock and ram it. Get that stock and sell it. Get on the phone. Pick up the phone and start dialing. Pick up the phone and start dialing. Can you pay your mortgage? No. So pick up the phone and start dialing. If you got no money to pay your membership, pick up the phone and start dialing. Get that stock and ram it down that phone. Leah's listening to this thinking, what on earth has happened to my husband? He started out as this nice little entertainer, singing a few songs, and now what has happened? He's become this crazy... It's the coffee. It's the coffee. I don't know what... And where's the super chats? Where is the super chats? Stephen Brown has started the super chats. Where are the super chats? Right? I expect every single... How many people have we got watching right now? How many people have we got watching right now? 45. There's 45 people watching right now. I want to earn $45 and I want to buy $45. I will buy 10 shares of Virgin Galactic right now. I need every single person to give me $1 tip. I love this show. I love this show. So Stephen Brown has started. So let's do that. Hang on a minute. It's no good, is it? It really is no good. Celebrate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super chat. Boom. Get in. Bloody hell. All right. There you go. We've started. Where's the last time you've been for a psychic evaluation? My psychic evaluation is here live on the show. Thank you very much indeed for that, Stephen Brown. You're the only decent person here. The rest of them, no, they don't care. They don't care. If we were down the pub now, would you buy me a drink? Would you? Or would you go, no, sod off. You can sit there at the end of the bar and drink your bloody Coke for free. Hey, Eric Brown, there we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Martyn, you need to change your name to the Wolf of Texas via Cornwall. There you go. That would be a good idea. Right, Eric B, you're joining me down the pub. Eric's joining me down the pub. All right. For the rest of you, you've not behaved yourself, so I'm going to run a commercial break. I tried to be nice. I tried to be nice. Nobody wants nice. Nobody wants nice. I tried to be nice. Everybody wants me to 10x the value of the memberships. Right. There you go. So here comes a commercial break. No one's being nice, so you're going to have to watch an advert now. A touch of bipolar, the same here. Yeah. All over the place. There's no structure to it at all. Virgin Orbit, S&P, Virgin Galactic. Remember I said to you it was a small pump? Did anyone listen to me? Does anyone ever listen to me? Is this mic on? Is anyone listening to me? Virgin Galactic going back down again. I said it would. No one listens to me. Virgin Orbit, right. Virgin Orbit, what are you doing? Morning, chat. Roger Fachong, you've missed everything this morning. You've missed the greatest show in the history of the world. Elon Musk, look, it's going up. Tesla, what's it doing? Let's look at the volume. Don't get too excited. Let's have a look. The volume now is 53 million. Average is 175 million. So I still think it's below average, especially after Investor Day. Let's see what it does. I am not buying it. I am not joining the fan club. There's nothing you can do to make me. You can't make me. So there we go. How many people voted? 21 votes. Shall I put up the membership by 10x becoming a Rolex? Yeah. We're going to stuff it to everybody. Only Martin having a manic episode. Yep. I'm having a manic episode. At least I'm awake. Unlike Elon Musk last night. He decided to fall asleep during his own bloody Investor Day. It wasn't the Elon Musk Day. It was the Investor Day, and he stuffed it to the big investors. They've had enough. They're selling out. You saw that last night, and. Anyway, what can I say about it? What can I say about it? Let me check something a minute. I've just realised something. Can anybody tell me, can you see the subtitles? Can you see the subtitles? Because I have just thought of something. I think something has just happened, and I want to check this. Can anyone see the subtitles? Musk was in hibernation. Let me have a look. I want to check something. Can anyone see the subtitles? I've just learned something. Always learning. Start a GoFundMe so I can become a member. Well, you need to get in now. Because if you get in now, it's only $2 a month, right? Well, if you're not in now, then the new members, yeah, no subtitles. I've just learned something. I've learned something very, very important, and I'm going to find out shortly. No, I don't think there is. I think I've learned something this morning. Without me using the word again, what happens over there on TikTok? Can you make a living of trading? Yes, I'm a full-time YouTuber. This is my full-time job. If you come over to YouTube, I will share with you. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. And I will give free money away. I do it every day. I love doing it. Links in the profile. Come and join me. Captain Chuck. Why would he pump the stock when the board is going to stock buybacks? Why would he pump the stock when he's going to do buybacks? Captain Chuck, last night, he was addressing his investors. Not the retail investors, not the little guy, not us. The big investors, the real investors. That's who he was talking to. Falling asleep while he was playing on Twitter. I'm not even going to do it right now. I'm not doing it. It's a special event later on. The money's going to McDonald's, no surprise. The money's going to Coca-Cola, no surprise. No surprise, no surprise, no surprise. And J&J is trying to go up as well. I love it. This is the best. This is the best. This is the best day ever. This is the best day ever. In fact, it's just the warm-up, all right? It's just the warm. Don't think this is the best day ever. Don't think that, because otherwise you'll be sadly mistaken. The best day ever is coming up. The best day ever is coming up in 7 days' time. Shall I put the membership up by 10x, becoming a Rolex? 24 votes now. There we go. I love it. Is there some sort of manipulation going on here? Is there some sort of Reddit or thing on StockQuits going on where everyone's going, hang on a minute, make sure it's 50-50 at the end of it. Make sure it's 50-50. Right, just make sure, that's all we got to do is make sure it's 50-50. If it goes up one, the other, but yeah, I know what's going on here. Right, yes, you can live off trading. I could have made $5 turn to $300 in just market open, says Flutter Edit. And I think I was buying 2 of those contracts. Sadly, it didn't quite work out though, did it, Flutter Edits? You're not very happy this morning. I don't blame you. Right, let's have a little look. Are you buying Tesla this morning? Who's going to buy Tesla now it's going up? I keep being told over and over and over again, you'll buy it when it goes up. You'll buy it when it goes up. The fact that you even say that to me knows you have no knowledge at all of the stock market. And you certainly don't watch my show, and you certainly don't know what the heck you're talking about. Anyone who tells me on StockQuits mainly, Reddit and Twitter, you'll buy it when it goes up, then there you go. Yeah, it didn't work out. I know it didn't work out. You're not very happy, are you? McDonald's. Right. It's time to end this show. We've got to do Day Trader of the Day. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. I wasn't able to get everyone to give me a tip. It didn't work out. I tried. Eric B. played along. Stephen Brown played along. The rest of you, rubbish. I tried. Didn't work. The rest of you, you thought, we're too smart for this. You think we're going to fall for that? Anyway, I can't even afford to buy one Shiba Inu stock. Ricky Dominic. Oh, Ricky, come on, mate. We can help you out there. Can't we? Oh, well, there could be another time. Probably not the same amount, but it could happen again, probably. Yes. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it at all. Doesn't matter. There'll always be another opportunity. Okay, we're going to take a short, it's a commercial break. We're going to do Day Trader of the Day. We're going to see if we've got 100 likes so I can give away a cash prize. And then tomorrow, of course, it's Friday. Cash Friday. Every Friday we have a special. Tomorrow we have 3 prizes to give away. 3. 1 is the newsletter tomorrow. 2 is the 100 likes cash giveaway. 3, we have 4 in fact. We have the money giving away from Twitch subscribers. That's for free. So if you're a Twitch subscriber using Amazon Prime Gaming, that's free. I'm giving you a free prize tomorrow. And also, we're giving away the Virgin Galactic single to one of you lucky people are going to own your very own version of Virgin Galactic song. How cool is that? So there you go. That's all coming up tomorrow. In the meantime, is a commercial break. See you back in a few seconds from now. Okay. Let's have a quick look. Where are we? We've had 173 through the stream. Okay. Let's see what we're up to date. Yeah. Coca-Cola. McDonald's, Amazon, want to buy some Amazon at this price, Lucid, Tesla. Is it going to be sold back off again? Okay, Virgin Orbit. Nice little bounce on Virgin Orbit, but 125 to 129 really isn't, and it's weak, look. It's not even continuing, is it? It's weak. But there we go. Virgin Galactic, the S&P, my overall portfolio. Let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. I'm down 0.37. I'm okay with that. On a day like this, I'm fine. Down 0.38%. There you go. I just dropped over 44% this morning. SI just dropped 44% this morning. Ouch. Right. Day trader of the day. Put your scores on the doors. Let's have a look. Let's see who's doing what. I'm up 1.38. Oh, I'm not going to win this morning then. My winning streak is over. My winning streak is done with. Darn it. All right, 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. I'm down 0.38. We've got, I'm up, says George, 1.38, up 0.45, up 1.8. Stephen Brown goes into the lead. Eric is up 0.23. Flipping it. Everyone's beating me this morning. My winning streak, my crown has fallen off. It's in the bin. It's all this talk about increasing the prices of memberships, and look what happens. Look what happens. down 9%. Craig, I'm sorry to hear that, mate. And we know why, don't we? Because of Virgin Orbit. It looks like our winner is going to be Stephen Brown. Do we have any takers? Do we have any takers? We got 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The winner is with 1.8% up. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Congratulations. Thumbs up to you. And you've done very well. Should you give them the sound effects? Yes. Let's do it. Brilliant stuff. Awesome. Congratulations. Very, very nice indeed. We like it. However, we're starting to go back down again. It's time to close the show. I'll be back very, very shortly. Down 0.67. Don't worry, Flutter Edits. We'll be back again later on. You'll make your money back. You know you will. Tesla, it had a short-term bounce. The retail investors, the fanboys have got no power anymore. Their power has gone. Their power is gone. The big institutions are going to drive it down. The shorters are going to drive it down. You can be as passionate and you can scream and shout as loud as you like. No one is listening anymore. So there you go. Such a shame. Such a shame. You can't get back a reputation, I'm afraid. And Elon Musk has destroyed it last night. And we shall report on it later with a live debate this afternoon coming up. All right, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed for being here. Let me get the camera straight. There you go. That's it. Let's have a quick look on Discord. In the broadcast lounge, we're going to close it. There we go. Let's go to the breakfast bar. Any more takers in the breakfast bar? Let me have a quick look. No. Terrible. The Discorders didn't come into the breakfast bar this morning. Have a good day, everyone. Have a good day, Martin. Thank you for another great show. Dominic, you're very, very welcome. Look out for the special videos coming up today. Martin would have been up 600% if Robinhood would have let me buy a put. Yes, I can make money back, but I'm still down $5 on the month chart. Flutter Edits, don't you worry about it, mate. Don't you worry about it. You'll be all right. Bit annoying that, I get it. I've been in that position myself countless times. Now I just accept it. It's all part of the game, right? Okay. Let's bring in the end shot. This is the money shot right now. Look, here's the money shot for you. Let's get rid of the credits. You ready? Get rid of those. Let's bring on the credits. Let's see who was good to me today. Some of you... Oh, hang on. Right, shall I put up the memberships by 10 times and become a Rolex? Well, it was unanimous. You all want to pay 10 times as much money. So as of 2 o'clock this afternoon, all memberships, $2.99 memberships, will now be $29 a month. Those of you that pay for silver, $6.99, that'll be $69 a month. And all of those of you that are sponsor members, like Ali Tizro, who pay $99, you're now going to pay $1,000 a month. And you know what? You're absolutely going to love it. You're going to think of it as a wonderful thing. You're going to wake up every morning excited to see your credit card bill. If only I could get away with that. Sadly, I can't. So unfortunately, it's time for me to say, take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. Super Chats, Stephen Brown and Eric B. Thank you very much indeed. Don't worry. The memberships isn't going to go up. It's just in my head. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.